죽겠다 또 어김없이 너의 흔적이 나만 날 괴롭힌다 죽겠다 남대하듯이 돌아섰는데 왜 나는 괴로울까
초견할 줄 알아서 헤어짐에 대해 근데 널 잘못 섞어나 나 버린다는 게 쉽지가 않네 미련하게도 미련이 남아 후회 비슷한 거네 잘 먹고 잘 살고 있어 너와 달리 난 반쯤 죽어있네 몰랐던 거야 헤어짐에
Morning guys, welcome to the second series of my self-isolation paradise during Covid-19. This is about 2 kilometers from my isolation villa. Nobody's here. We have our private geyser to ourselves. So we don't have to travel all the way to New Zealand to Pohutu geyser or the big splash or to the all paid pool in the Yellowstone Park. All you need to do is come to Karangaji Beach Villa and you can have the private geyser on your own. This geyser have a lot of mineral. It can sanitize and disinfecting us because they have magnesium, calcium, silica, sulfur and radioactive mineral. With all this mineral and the steam is very hot, it's like 150 degrees. You can boil water, hot boiled egg in it. So we can. The idea is to sanitize and disinfect in the hot spring. Come on, guys, let's disinfect ourselves. Let's kill this virus pathogen so they won't come so far. Follow me.
아니 미기적인 외로움인가 죽겠다